Hey guys, what's going on? My name is William James, and if you're new to my channel, I do free tutorials on how to grow a home business, network marketing, and affiliate marketing business. So please consider subscribing to my channel. So the topic of today's video, guys, is I want to go over with you some of the incredible offers that we have right now for people who are thinking about joining my team in the Abundance Network, which is the automated phone and text message based software sales funnel program that we're running. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll have a link to it. But I think most of you at this point know what I'm talking about. It's an incredibly unique and very powerful opportunity that has been going totally viral. Everyone's been jumping on this. Frankly, it's been the easiest thing I've ever sold in my entire life. And it's just blown up. So with that said, I want to talk real quick about some of the incredibly unique things that we're offering. So I think most of you probably know that for myself, for anyone who gets into the Abundance Network with me, I'm throwing in my Facebook course for free. My Facebook course is a $97 product. It's kind of my flagship product. It really is the full training on what I do every day on Facebook. My whole, angle on the network marketing industry is that I use Facebook, my own personal profile on Facebook, to get massive amounts of traffic and engagement and sales. I make daily sales just using my Facebook profile, and the course that I created shows you exactly how I do that. It's very popular. People love it, and I'm going to be giving it away for free if you join my team on Abundance Network. So just to show you that what I do works, when I first joined Abundance Network back on August 1st, I put up this video saying tomorrow the online marketing industry will be changed. This is like we're about to launch. And the next day, I had 7 signups. You see this? This is on August 1st. On August 2nd, I got 7 signups in 24 hours off of one video. Right? And then 2 days later, I did another video. I had 12 signups in 48 hours, and I was talking about why this is blowing up, right? That's it. That's all that I did. It's just these posts on Facebook. So if you're looking at this and you're like, how the heck did he sign up 12 people in 48 hours from like 3 Facebook posts? That's why you need the training. That's why you need this course. You can look at it at williamjamestraining.com, see that it is a real course, it's a real product. Yes, this is true and this works, right? And I'm going to be including it for free if you get started with the Abundance Network. Guys, Abundance Network is $150 to get started, right? The course is $97, okay? You're going to get it for free when you join Abundance Network. So that is not the main topic of this video. I think most of you know that I've been offering that. What I think some of you don't know is that we are actually offering, as part of our team, I'm not offering it, but the guy who recruited me, who's a mentor of mine in Abundance Network, is offering a completely done for you follow-up service. Or what he's going to do is he's actually going to build out an entire unique funnel for you for Abundance Network, a sales funnel, the capture page, the sales video pages, multiple pages in this funnel built entirely for you with your phone number, your picture, all of your info. And not only is he going to build out the sales funnel, but he is actually going to handle all of the follow-up from the people who put their emails into the pages. In other words, every single day, he is going to write a unique email and send it out to your leads as you. So this is like a copywriting service. This is like hiring a professional copywriter. This guy, by the way, has been doing this for 22 years. He's a pro. He's been a #1 earner in multiple companies. I've followed him since I first got into this industry in 2011. He's a total marketing genius. Writes amazing emails. He's going to be writing an email every single day for you forever. This isn't like you get 30 emails. This is like every day he will just do this for you. Okay? Now, is he charging for this? Yes, he is. This is going to be, I believe right now he's asking $100 a month for this. But before you go, whoa, that's too much money, think about this. If you're going to really do this successfully in this business, what are you going to need? You're going to need to have an email marketing program. You're going to need to have a funnel page building program. And you're going to need to know how to write really good emails that convert. Okay? Now, this is actually, to do it yourself is more expensive than to pay him to do it. It's crazy, the offer. Look at this. Okay, if you go over to Aweber, the two main email autoresponder companies people use are Aweber and GetResponse. Over at Aweber, they charge based on how many leads you have in your autoresponder. Okay, if you have 5,000 leads, it's $50 a month. If you have between 5,000 and 10,000 leads, it's like $70 a month. Anything over 10,000 leads, it's $149 a month. Okay. GetResponse. For 10,000 leads, it's $65 a month. For, let's see, 5,000 leads, $45 a month for the basic plan. If you want the plus plan, it's $79. Right. You get the point here, guys. Just the email marketing platforms alone are going to cost you between like $50 and $100. That's not counting the funnel building software or the copywriting service. So you need to have the ability to actually build a funnel. I mean, just getting a ClickFunnels is like $100 a month. It's $99 a month, isn't it? ClickFunnels, right? And then you still have to build your own funnel, right? And you have to have Aweber and GetResponse. And guys, for most of you, you're not professional copywriters. This guy is like a professional email marketer, right? So for $100 a month, he will not only host all of your emails for you, manage all the broadcasts. You don't have to pay for Aweber. You don't have to pay for GetResponse. He'll build the funnel for you and he'll write all of the emails for you. Okay. Now, some of you also don't understand that when you're part of our team, you get to participate in our team co-ops. The same guy who's offering this service spent, like upwards of $50,000 testing different solo ad vendors and found the ones who were like really good quality. And we buy bulk clicks from these people, from these vendors. So you can get good quality solo ad traffic for like a lot less money than you would get it if you just went out on your own. And you don't have to have the risk of figuring out who the best solo ad providers are, who's going to scam you, who's not going to scam you. It's all the same clicks that everybody on the team uses, right? So what that means is that literally, guys, if you get in on our team on Abundance Network, you can participate in the co-ops. So traffic is handled. Your funnel is done for you. All the follow-ups are done for you. So literally all you would have to do is like answer people's questions. I talk about this a lot in my trainings, but there are 7 steps. You see here on the screen, there's 7. Let me make this bigger. There's 7 steps to recruiting and selling anything, always, that you have to go through. There's no choice about this, right? The 7 steps are contact, communicate, qualify, invite, presentation, follow up, and handle questions. You contact people. You can either do that by using my Facebook training, which is free, included when you join. Teaches you how to get as many, interested people in contact with you as you can possibly handle. Or if you don't want to bother to learn that, you can go buy clicks from our solo ad co-op, right? That handles your contacting. Communicate. Again, my Facebook course will teach you how to do that. But if you don't want to, it's all handled for you with our done for you service, right? So basically, in the sort of internet marketing speak version of this, step 1 is automated because you can order clicks. Step 2 and 3 are kind of built into that's the whole point of the capture page, right? To communicate, to qualify is like to make an offer, to see if the person is interested, to capture their email address and invite them to the presentation, which is also done. So steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are done for you by the sales funnel and the co-ops. Step 6 is done for you. Your email follow-ups, done for you. So steps 1 through 6 are completely automated and done for you. And so literally all you would have to do, guys, is respond to people when they ask you questions. If you don't know the answer to the question, ask me or ask him. We'll tell you the answer. You can get back to the person. This is the easiest that it will ever be to be successful at any of this. We're literally doing it all for you. All of it. Okay? I can't make a better offer than that. There is no better offer than that. If you don't have the money, the $100 a month to pay to get the done for you service, and you don't have the money to run solo ad clicks, that's why I'm putting in my Facebook course. Because my Facebook course will teach you how to do all of this for free. It's super easy, under an hour a day. That's what I do. I don't run solo ad clicks. I don't do paid traffic. I just do Facebook. And I signed up 12 people in 48 hours. Now, obviously, guys, income disclaimer. Obviously, my results, our team members' results, do not guarantee your results. I am not making any income claims here. I'm not saying that if you use our done for you service, you're guaranteed to get rich, right? Your results depend on your own efforts, and they depend on luck, and they depend on a million other factors. My results do not guarantee your results, okay? Your results could be better or worse. All I'm trying to get you to understand here is that we are trying to do almost everything for you, right? And if you don't have the resources to take advantage of the done for you offers, I'm including my Facebook course for free so that you have all the training you could possibly need to really crush it with this thing. That's how badly I want you to win. If you wanted to win half as badly as I wanted you to win, we'd all be rich, right? So get in on this thing, guys. Right? It's $150 one time. You get all of this. I just don't know how to make a better offer than that. All right? So I just want to make sure you guys understood that, what's on the table here, what we can do for you, like why our team is the team to be on. If you're looking for, a good team to be a part of, like we offer training and support and done for you services beyond anyone else. All right. So let me know if you have any questions. Shoot me a message on Facebook, and we'll talk soon. All right. Bye.